Today we celebrate a significant milestone. We come together to commemorate the ribbon cutting ceremony of our new facility here in Hatboro. With our new modern manufacturing facility, we're not only investing in our company's future, but also in the future of American manufacturing, the Pennsylvania economy, and the local community of Hatboro.
In Pennsylvania, manufacturing is a key industry and such an important part of high-paying jobs. Companies like KMM Group are huge assets to our local and state economies, and they allow Main Street businesses to source locally and form lasting relationships. And most importantly, they provide family-sustaining careers for so many hardworking people.
This year, KMM has been recognized by Inc. magazine as one of the fastest growing private companies of 2024. And today, KMM has taken a giant leap forward in a commitment to excellence, precision, and innovation. What sets KMM Group apart isn't just their cutting-edge technology and advanced equipment, it's their unwavering commitment to integrity, passion, and the community that they serve.
To our KMM team, our success as an organization is not solely attributed to the bricks and mortar of this new facility, but to you, the talented individuals who work tirelessly to bring this vision to life.
You have trusted in the vision that Eric and I have shared and given of yourselves to build something that can be truly great. Thank you for being a part of this ride with us. Together, we're going to go far, we're going to go fast, and we're going to go high. And I cannot wait to experience all of that with all of you. This building is not just a structure. And this company is not just a business. It is a microcosm of the good that still exists in this country. We are neighbors, we are educators, and we are makers who, as a group, and with your help, are striving to make the corners of the world that we touch better for everyone.